In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a network error has occurred on Google Sheets. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are using Google Sheet but you are getting this error, the first thing you want to check, if you're using a web-based version, try and download the app to see if this fixes your problem. However, if this does not work, then you want to check your internet connection, as this might be the main reason for the problem. However, if none of the above works, then you need to go to settings, and from settings scroll down to apps. Now under apps, look for the option manage apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Sheets, tap on it, and this will take you to the app info page. Here, go to for stop and OK, and then go to clear data and clear cache, OK, and finally clear all data. Now once you are done, restart your smartphone, and before you open your Google Sheets, you need to ensure that you are not using any VPN app on your smartphone, as this might also be the reason you are experiencing this. However, if this does not work, then you need to go to Google Play Store app or App Store, open it and search for Google Sheets and see if you have any update your app to the latest version. So in most cases at this point now, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still encounter a challenge at this point, then most likely Google Sheets might have experienced internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait after some few minutes, then try logging into your app, and now everything should be up and running. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.